Have you ever watched a video and wished you could decide what happens next? Imagine controlling the story, choosing the ending, and becoming part of the narrative itself. Imagine a video that doesn't just play but invites you to shape its story, turning passive viewing into an immersive adventure. Interactive video, particularly choose-your-own content formats, is revolutionizing audience engagement by empowering viewers to influence narratives, make decisions, and actively participate in digital experiences. Unlike traditional linear videos limited to play, pause, or skip, interactive videos incorporate clickable hotspots, branching scenarios, and decision points that transform viewers into participants. This format, popularized by projects like Netflix's Black Mirror, Bandersnatch, allows audiences to dictate story outcomes, creating personalized experiences that boost engagement and retention. For instance, viewers can choose a character's actions, explore 360-degree environments, or interact with shoppable elements as seen in campaigns by brands like Nike and The North Face. Studies show interactive videos achieve up to 30% higher conversion rates and 11% higher click-through rates compared to standard videos, making them a potent tool for marketers, educators, and entertainers. In marketing, brands like Adidas use interactive ads to let viewers customize products in real time, fostering emotional connections and driving sales. Educational platforms leverage quizzes and simulations, with 85% of students finding these videos more engaging than traditional lectures. The entertainment industry thrives on gamified experiences, such as The Walking Dead, Our World, blending augmented reality with interactive storytelling. Creating these videos requires strategic planning, defining clear objectives, crafting compelling narratives, and using platforms like Storyly, H5P, or Adventure to embed interactive elements seamlessly. Analytics track viewer choices, offering insights into preferences that refine future content. However, balance is key. Too many interactions can overwhelm, while too few may feel gimmicky. Accessibility, like subtitles and mobile optimization, ensures inclusivity, as over 50% of global internet traffic comes from mobile devices. The rise of AI and AR/VR technologies promises even deeper personalization, with the AR/VR market and video marketing projected to exceed $109 billion by 2026. Challenges include higher production costs and the need for technical expertise, but drag-and-drop tools like Wirewax and Filmora simplify creation for brands of all sizes. Interactive videos stand out in a crowded digital landscape, transforming passive consumption into dynamic dialogue. From e-commerce to education, they captivate audiences by making them co-creators of the experience. As technology evolves, the potential for interactive video grows, offering endless possibilities to connect, educate, and convert. Ready to craft your own interactive masterpiece? The future of storytelling is in your hands. Where will you take your audience next? So, next time you make a video, ask yourself, are you just telling a story or letting your audience live it? Because in this interactive age, viewers don't just want to watch, they want to choose.